Semi-final 1 of 2 now in the women's 200 meters on track. The fastest in this field on personal best, Ashanti Moore, who went 22:51 last season.
And 22:53 this year. So she's shown that she's in great shape.
Lavania Williams is a 10:95 sprinter. She's not gone sub 23 yet, but at 10:95 you expect her to be able to run under 23 seconds. Let's see. Hannah Charles, the St. Lucian, starts in lane number 8. Now at the University of Technology. Ashanti Moore, World Championship semi-finalist. 22:51 at her very best, was in the 100 final last night and produced her best run of the season, 11:08. She was edged by the thousandths by this woman, her training partner, Jodine Williams, who has gone sub-11 for 100 meters this season. She would love to break her lifetime best of 22:75. Lavania Williams goes in lane number 5, representing Dynamic Speed Track Club, competitor 81, with Crystal Slowly, the 10:99 100 sprinter, going in lane number 4.
Yeah, this is going to be a good semi-final, a good redraw. So the top 3 will get through, and it's going to be a great race. Hannah Charles,
mic check.
by virtue of
on your marks,
her home nation, not able to qualify through these rounds, so one person from this semi-final will have to wait. We'll have a
Lavania Williams has improved to 23:09 this season for 200 meters. Is this the moment she breaks 23 seconds?
Set.
3 short to go through, plus the next 2 fastest. Ashanti Moore got a brilliant start, already opening up on Jodine Williams and Lavania Williams. Williams transitions well off the curve. That's Lavania. Jodine Williams with work to do. Moore with the lead. Lavania Williams comes forward. Jodine Williams is still fighting. Moore ahead of Lavania and Jodine Williams. Outside, inside 23 seconds, 22:83. The flash time for Ashanti Moore, fastest in the field on personal best and season's best, and she delivered.
Yeah, powerful running from Ashanti Moore. Hugs that curve so closely and transitions into the straight. Lavania Williams had a great first 100 meters, but the power, the sheer strength of Ashanti Moore gets away from them, and her training partner follows suit, but good running from Lavania Williams to get that second spot. But Ashanti Moore, the fastest in this field this year, 22:53, shows why she is and will be hard to beat.
22:88 the winning time for Ashanti Moore, negative 1.2 meters per second the wind speed. Lavania Williams did get a personal best out of that, 23.05, 4/100ths of a second faster than the 23:09 she produced in May. And